I have a love for silver plated items, and today I have this silver plated vintage carafe. It's a coffee carafe. And I'm going to show you how I update mine. I start by using some press and seal, which is a great tool for taping off areas that you're going to be painting. My only tip with the press and seal is you don't want it to remain on the object too long, especially if it's glass, as it will start to leave kind of a sticky residue. So you want to put it on, spray, and then take it off as soon as you can. So I picked this up at a yard sale. Many of us have our grandmother's old craft and don't know what to do with it, and this is a nice way of updating it. I started by making a makeshift spray booth out of some cardboard and using chalked Rust-Oleum in linen white. I gave this about 3 coats of spray. Now the key with spray painting is you want to give 3 light coats versus trying to cover your metal all in one shot. So once dry, I removed my press and seal, and I had some nice clean edges and lines. Now there are different ways that you can go from here. You can either sand your project down to the metal, or you can leave it. And some of the ways that I decorate it, like for example, this is a fall theme where you're putting some pumpkins and pine cones and different things inside the glass. And I got this lamb's ear from Walmart for about $2. Or any floral arrangement of your choice. This is a little bit more fall. And then I put a little tea light at the bottom. And it's just a nice, cute decor. Another option is you can take some gilding wax on your finger and just graze it along the detail, and this just brings out all the pretty intricate parts of this. This is kind of my favorite thing to do. I'm either going to sand or I usually add the gilding wax. I do silver plated trays, teapots, anything I can get my hands on. It's something I really enjoy to do. And the chalked by Rust-Oleum just does a great job at covering. I'm getting some of the gilding wax on the handle where there's a lot of intricate detail that I want to pull out. And then just around the rim, I'm just kind of making it dirty with the gold gilding wax by just putting it on my finger and just rubbing along. Very happy how this turned out. Now you do want to wash your silver plated prior to painting, just to remove any oils, and then there you go. A farmhouse style decor would be maybe adding some lemons inside the glass area. Again, the lamb's ear is always a great choice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can also go watch us now at chalkitupfancy.com. Any paint products, brushes, or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.